MotoGP 2026 Buriram, the MotoGP race of Thailand. And today we are exploring everything around the race.
Heat on the grid, breathe in my mask, tie sunburning, heart beating fast.
Yeah, ticket for the MotoGP 2026 Chang International Circuit. I'm going a bit to explore here the surroundings. Fan from France, Sacco fan, right? What's your name?
Flo.
Flo.
Florian.
Nice to meet you, Florian. Shadow, Chang, and chicken. Always good. There's a KTM colleague.
Hey, how are you?
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
India.
Where are you from?
Austria.
Oh, nice
so
to meet
this
you.
Bachar KTM Austria.
I have a KTM too at home.
Ah,
Here's the bucket.
he's a really smart guy, I see. 5 beers bucket with ice, and then you put it on your head. So first souvenir here from Yamaha. Oh, there's a free shuttle to gate 2. You are colleague.
ได้รับผลกระทบ
You are pocket
รับรอง
colleague.
งานนี้ไม่มีครับ
You can hop on and get a free ride.
Free ride, yes.
Yeah.
ไปไหมคะไปไหมคะ
Nice win.
So what I want now, fan.
แล้วก็จะมีปัจจุบัน
Sawadee krap. Thank you.
ด้วย
New Cappy.
ไม่อยากจะไปแถวๆสนามบินหรือว่าที่ขายแล้วด้วย
For this lane! If I fly, if I fall, Buriram, you hear my call.
Now after Yamaha Cappy and I go to Honda. So I think you need to register to get free drinks because she asked for a coupon. Okay. Sawadee krap. So never go with a Yamaha Cappy to Honda. But now Honda Cappy. So water is for free here. Can I ride the bike here? I'll register.
Register and that.
But she said I have to register at the Honda camp. And then you can ride the bike for free?
Yep, if you have Honda T 300 baht 300
Ah, RCB Thailand. Yeah, for sure. I will scan. So I got an Easter egg. A T-shirt. Yeah. I need a XX large. But this is a T-shirt. A key. I for the a key thing. Thank you too. RCP Thailand. Is it for your visor? For the helmet? I don't know for what is this spray. Anti-fog spray. Okay, cool. Oh wow. This is Honda. Ah, okay. I could not read, you know. Oh wow. So I will put it on my bike. Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah, this is our age bike, right? Yeah, I know. I'm also more into touring, not anymore into sport. Sorry, I didn't understand you. What did you say?
Today I have promotion for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now she's showing me how to shoot because if that's not fair. That's 1 meter. I don't know. I try now to go to other places. There's over there a grandstand or a stand. Over there is A. So let's see. So side stand A. Okay, now I'm in the opposite side of my grandstand or side stand. Over there. Yeah. Oh, it's a race break. 2 Jack Miller fans from Australia, Jeremy and Rod. So what do you like more, fish and chips or pad thai?
Oh, pad thai.
Pad thai, okay. It's a very important question here in Thailand, right? Now, taxi, shuttle. Yeah, supercar. He has a nice hat. I like it. Now it cooled a bit down and it's cloudy. That's very good, but it's still hot, you know, very hot. Selfie time.
1 2 ขวดขวด
She's a selfie queen. Selfie queen. Yeah. Next stop, grandstand. Yeah. Cup on cup. Yeah. Marc Marquez or Pedro Acosta? Marc Marquez. Okay. You have the bigger camera. What is national TV? Thailand?
บุรีรัมย์กูรูเพจ
What?
บุรีรัมย์กูรูแฟนเพจ
Ah, okay. But you are on YouTube or official TV?
just เพจของ Facebook
On Facebook?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I'm on YouTube. Yeah. So now interview here. What country are you from and which team are you cheering for? Austria
ออสเตรเลีย
and KTM.
KTM
Yeah. I would rate the heat in Buriram out of a perfect 10. Yeah, it's a perfect 10, I would say. It's more 12 and 13. This is a stage, I would say. Yeah. So now, grandstand expo. Let's see. Honestly, I think you have the nicest batteries all over Thailand. Yeah. Hi, Sawadikap. Is Valentino coming? Huh?
No.
No, yeah?
Yeah.
When is coming, Valentino?
No.
No, it's not coming?
No.
I thought it's coming to Power 46? No? Okay.
Red Bull spec. You can try
Yeah, but I...
camera.
Yeah, for sure. Ah. Wow, very nice.
Very nice.
Welcome
now-
to the Red Bull shop
Yeah? I'm from Austria.
Oh really?
Yeah. So,
This is from your country
yeah, normally they say when you are from Austria, they give you glasses for free, right?
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't hear that I have to ask my boss for that
Thank you. I think the pizza is very nice here. Let's see. Maybe I'll try it later.
โทนะคะตั้งแต่ปี 2019
That's really authentic Thai food here, right? Yeah.
ก็เพราะว่าเรา
Chicken.
ที่จะส่งมอบเนาะไม่ว่าจะเป็นเรื่องของความเร็วสมรรถนะนะคะให้กับทุกคนนั่นเองแล้วก็นอก
Barbecue.
รถปกติ
Pork
เราต้องใช้เครื่องยนต์อะไรในการ
I think it's pork.
สามารถแวะไปเยี่ยมชมได้เลยนะคะ
ดูดิครับ
เดินผ่านก็แต่ว่าอยากจะครอบครองรถที่สเปคเครื่องยนต์เหมือนกับ
Ducati. Oh, they have even a cross bike now. I didn't know. Let's see, maybe I can have spaghetti carbonara or something. Ooh. No spaghettis here. Wow, it's crazy cold here inside. Oh, it's too cold. Outside it's too hot, inside too cold. So here's the Japanese connection, Honda and Yamaha. This is really hard for your metabolism. Outside 35 degrees and then you go inside, it's 20. Oh nice, here all the bikes. Wow, this scooter is expedition ready. Africa Twin anyway. Yeah, it's a good setup of different bikes. So Yamaha. These snacks. Oh, that's nice. What is it? Pork? Free Monster drink, free chicken snacks. just to tag the monster drink on social media, and she's doing it for me. Very nice. So cup on cup. So free drink and free food. And watching here on the screen. Oh, let's take a look to Harley Davidson. Oh, it's crazy cold again. Oh, here's a bagger simulator. Now I'm part of the bagger race here. Best lap time gets a Harley for free. Yeah, so deal. Do you think as Ducati fan you can ride a bagger?
Yeah, a lot faster than a Harley rider.
Oh, really? Where are you from?
Italy.
Italia?
Yeah.
Piacere.
Piacere.
Important question. Pasta carbonara or pad thai?
Carbonara. That's a very easy question.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, very nice bikes here. Guys, we will ride against each other on the bagger, but I think he's the tallest Thai person I ever met. Do you play basketball?
No, yes.
Yeah, I can see it, yeah.
Open the gas, open the throttle, you will feel the vibration. That means your bike is accelerating.
Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. That's Thailand. Massage at a MotoGP. Massage is 100?
15 minutes for 159.
Okay.
You can top up to 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour.
Yeah, okay. MotoGP and massage in Thailand. That's perfect. That's perfect. I'm walking a lot, you know, and massage. Very pretty, I have to say. Welcome to Thailand. Here, the big screen I cannot film, but people are sitting here. It's kind of okay. It's cool. I'm walking one time in front of the screen. Maybe tomorrow I come here. Thai coffee, iced Americano. Yeah, it's more than a racetrack. Absolutely true. Here it's everything. It's food, it's fun, massage, and hot.